Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add groups on quick access toolbar in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and you can see here this is a quick access toolbar and you can easily add any group on this quick access toolbar. So this is a tab, this is a home tab. In home tab, font is a one group, second is alignment group, number is a third group. So these are the group. Okay, in this group there are three options: the conditional formatting, format as a table, cell style. So these are the option and these are the full group. So you can easily add the full group here. So I show you, I just click on this drop down arrow. When you keep cursor on, see the drawing tools, I just click on this arrow and you can see the full drawing tools group here. I add it in draw group, draw tab. You can see the drawing tools group is showing. So see, full drawing tool group is added, same as I add here the different group. So I'm going to add here the numbers group. So I just simply click on here on this area of the number group, and the first option, add group to quick access toolbar. Simply click on it and that's it. You can see the number groups is added. You just click on this drop down, you just click on this option and you can see here the all options showing, those are available in the number groups. Okay, the number groups is quickly added here. If you want to remove it, just right click on this option and just click on the remove from the quick access toolbar. Okay, that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.